Customers are your individuals or companies who purchase goods and or services from you. In this session, we're going to go through the details stored in the Credit Cards tab and the Custom Name Fields tab. Let's go to Setup and Customers, and we're going to edit one of our customers. And in the Credit Cards tab, if you've made an agreement with this customer to store his credit card for current or future purchases, you would click your New button down in the lower left and select the credit card type, and the credit card types that you're storing are entered under Setup, Names, and Credit Card Types, or you could click New and add a new one here also. But we're going to go ahead and select our Visa and then give it a name. And you can put the name on the card as displayed on that card, and their information with their card number, the security key, and the expiration date. If there are several credit cards recorded for this customer, you can set one as a default credit card to be used when you're doing the customer invoices. And now we can do additional notes also on each one of these different credit cards. You can delete a credit card. Even though you've used it in the past, you can delete a credit card information out of this screen. You can also use the copy to create a new one if needed. And if you had all of the information finished, you could click Save and save this new information. Now we're going to go to the Custom Name Fields tab. And the Custom Name Fields are pieces of information that you might want to store on your customers that aren't available in fields throughout the other tabs. So for example, we've added a couple of here of office hours or web login. There might be any number of different custom name fields you might have, and you could have some information on one customer or none. But these different custom fields will be available on all of your vendors and customers. So if we click to do a new custom field down at the bottom, we could add a new one, and maybe we want to know the nature of business of our different customers. And so we can have a custom field type of text, a date, a numeric, or a percentage. And we're going to do text here, and then save that. And now if we close, that becomes available on our screen, and we can enter the text that we want. And we'll just put in that information, and then this information can be done in a report under Reports, and then under Setup Lists and Names, there is a Name Custom Fields. And we can preview that, and that would list our different customers that we have stored a custom field information and put that, list that information there. And it doesn't list our new one because we have not saved that yet on our new name here. So we're not seeing our nature of business yet because we didn't save the name. But if we go back, I'll show you, and we save that, because we're done with our name, and go back to our report and refresh. Now we see that additional information for Lakeside. And those are some different details stored in those two tabs, and there are other sessions that will go through the General and Addresses tab, the Accounting tab, and the Email Print tab.